Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Sassy girl names. When parents are blessed with a baby girl or her arrival is confirmed, they start searching for a beautiful name for their princess. What could work better than a sassy Monica? A name that is full of attitude and perfect for a child with a strong personality. 20 sassy girl names with meanings. Parents search heaven and earth to find the perfect name for their little princess. Here are some of the popular sassy baby girl names with meanings. 1. Amber. This name means a jewel. 2. Brittany. This name means she who was born on the island of Britain. 3. Brook. This name means a small stream. 4. Chloe. This name means the Greek goddess of agriculture and fertility. 5. Darcy. This name means from the forest. 6. Gaia. This name means God's gracious gift. 7. Kimora. This name means brave. 8. Macy. This name means weapon. 9. Naomi. This name means pleasant. 10. Olivia. This name means olive tree. 11. Phoebe. This name means radiant. 12. Roxy. This name means she glows like the dawn. 13. Sabrina. This name means from the river Severn. 14. Sierra. This name means from the jagged mountain range. 15. Tasha. This name means born on Christmas. 16. Venus. This name means goddess of love. 17. Veronica. This name means she who brings victory. 18. Vivi. This name means life. 19. Willow. This name means graceful. 20. Xena. This name means welcoming. A name is one of the things that parents decide upon after a rigorous search and attempts. This list of sassy names for baby girls will help you choose one she will cherish all her life.